If at any time you would prefer to continue the instructions in text, please visit the Self-Training tab found by scrolling to the bottom of your admin site. After signing up for your free trial and logging in, you will be taken to our onboarding page outlining the startup steps. First, confirm your basic settings are correct, and everything enabled matches your business preferences. Next, you will click on the second step, Integration Sync. From here, start by choosing QuickBooks as your ERP, then click Next to move ahead to sync settings. For QuickBooks version, select the online version, then you're ready to connect to QuickBooks. Once here, you can log into your intuit account as you normally would. A request box will appear asking if you agree to share your QuickBooks Online data with us. If it doesn't, please double-check that QuickBooks Online was selected in the earlier step. Once approved, you will be taken back to your admin site where you can click Sync Now under the Connected section to the right to complete moving your QuickBooks data over. Values marked as successful are ready to be accessed by our software. If any data fails to sync, reach out to us either on our site's chat feature, or by emailing support@insitusales.com.